we?
Choo-choos.
Yeah, we're here to see trains, the choo-choos, right? At the Railway Museum. This is our second Railway Museum. Alyssa loves choo-choos right now. I gave her a choice between Children's Museum and a few other activities, and she wanted choo-choos. So here we are. We're gonna go check it out. Alyssa, I think we're gonna ride in that motor car. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? You ready? Here we go. Let's see. Goes the box car. So he just said that this used to belong to a guy who started Godfather's Pizza. It was in his house. And it was in Omaha. Look at that going, look at those trains. Here comes a train, here it comes. Here comes another train, there's two, look at that, choo-choo. You see him?
I got a car.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? This is a big set, isn't it? Look at all these trains. Wow, here it comes. Look. What do you think, Alyssa? Do you like them? Did you see this one? Oh, that way.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. Look, Alyssa. They're working on a train there. Here it comes. There it comes. Look, look, look. Look at that. What? I'm following you. Look, it's for having lunch. Yeah. What's in there? Yeah? What's that thing? Is that the stove?
No.
Caboose. Yeah, go ahead. What's in there? I don't know what's in there.
Hey.
Looks like just some hay. A bulletin board and storage. Are you gonna drive it? Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Maybe they have to keep working on it, huh? We're stuck, man. It's not working, huh?
No.
Hmm.
Wait.
What does it sound like when it works?
Choo-choo.
Really? Is that what it sounds like? Chugga, 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 chugga.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Alyssa, was that fun?
Yeah.
What did we do?
Hey, choo-choos.
We saw the choo-choos?
Hey, choo-choos.
We played choo-choos too, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go pick up Daddy?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Sounds like he's pretty versatile.
Yeah, he's pretty much jack of all trades. We do a lot of things. This is why we're able to travel, so this way, you know, it keeps us flexible.